Welcome back to the daily grind. We're here on this vinyl job again, fixing to get it cleaned up, bring the vinyl in and get going. Let me show you what's happening. So rather than sitting and scraping over this with a knife or a 5-in-1 or whatever to get it all nice, I'm just going to hit it really fast with my vacuum and my sander. That way it'll be done and over with real quick. Notice I did unload the weights off of that so it's not too heavy. I don't want to dig into this. I just simply want to sand the rough spots down. Stuff like this. That's what I want to get up with it. So just going to hit it real fast and then we'll clean it up and be ready to go. Right, we got her sanded up and it's super smooth everywhere. Just beautiful, son. That works out great. Anytime you can mud and then sand over it, you're going to have a great floor. See right there, something was under my sander when I started it and caused a little cut in the floor patch right there. So filled that little crack. You can see just a little straight line right there. But man, everything is slick and ready to go. So here we go. I got me inch and a half back down that wall. I understand there's a little bow there, but got on the straight part of the wall. So we got this like we want it now. Fixing to go ahead and glue everything that's exposed, and then we'll roll it over into the glue, then be able to do that. I think we all know how important it is to make sure that we get to our next glue. Pull that back a little bit right there. With our glue that we're putting down now. And what happens sometimes, I'll show you how to take care of this. So even though you see that right there, and oops, and you might take the nose of your trowel like that, sometimes you still might have a little gob underneath. Let's take a look and see if I did. So you can see right there is a little something. If you want to be certain that you're not going to have any gobs right underneath the edge of that, watch this. Okay, simply take your vinyl, do that right there. After you glue it, if there was any glob, see that right there? It will simply smash it down flat, and now it's not going to be a hard rubber bump underneath of your seam. And there she be. There she be. Slick as a whistle, son. Slick as a whistle. You want to see how slick a whistle is? How about that? That was pretty slick, huh? Alrighty, we are done. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Done. These little guys right here are the pieces of quarter round underneath there. You can't get a piece in there long enough for one piece, so I had to split them in half. Get a really clean cut right there. That looks pretty dramatic, but you can't see it at all. Standing back, I got super close there. But anyway, because we put quarter round underlayment down, I did raise the front of these legs up and get the underlayment underneath there. That way the dishwasher can still be pulled out if you ever have to change it out. You never want to build up the floor in front of the legs of something like that. Especially if they're adjusted all the way up. Anyway, another one bites the dust. Cock-a-doodle-doo.